Alright, so I gotta tell y'all that I'm like pretty much completely and totally out of my element here. Alright? And I love being uncomfortable. Now, the reason I like being uncomfortable is because that's where the growth is. That's where I learn. That's when I feel most alive. And I'll give you a tour of this little section I'm in right now because I love it. See, there's furniture, there's lamps, all sorts of cool stuff. The best part about this and the best part about being uncomfortable, you learn so much about yourself. Because think about it like this. Smart, sophisticated, lovely women come into my world on a regular basis. I'm looking for aisle 1600 too. Okay, smart, beautiful, wonderful women come into my world on a daily basis who want to make a change in their life. And the only way I can help them make a real change in their life is by getting them uncomfortable. So I'd never ask the women to do anything that I'm not willing to do myself. And that's why I love putting myself in uncomfortable positions, all right? So all of this stuff, all of the people at this show, can you see? Like, there are thousands of people here. And they're all very used to going to expo centers, convention centers. They're used to going all over the world and looking at stuff and then taking it back to their place, taking it back to their business, putting it in there, and then their customers come to that business, right? And then they buy stuff from all over the world. So the customer comes to this store in small town America or wherever they are, and then they feel like they've had this experience, but it's really the shop owner that had that experience instead of the customer. Does that make sense? So what I want you to start doing is getting uncomfortable. I want y'all to actually go have these experiences. Don't just go to a boutique that goes to a big convention center once or twice a year and buys stuff and then brings it back to wherever you are and sells it to you. No, I want you to go get uncomfortable. I want you to start something fresh. I want you to figure out where your passions are, where your dreams are, what lights you up, and go do it. I love real estate, like to my core. I love real estate. I talked to my husband earlier and I was like, he asked me, he said, have you had a real estate seminar yet? And I said, no, but it's not from Malacatron. All right, I've tried to talk to all sorts of people about real estate, but these people are just not here to talk about real estate. They're not. It's not that they don't care about real estate. It's that it's not on their part of the brain right now, and it's probably maybe not even on your part of the brain, but maybe it is. If you've been thinking about real estate, I am like dying to talk to somebody about some real estate right now. So let me know if you want to talk about it, but definitely do something today that makes you uncomfortable. Get out of your comfort zone. Go do something weird. Go even just to a different section of your town if you have to. Get out of your routine and grow. Learn about yourself. Have some fun, ladies. Bye.